In this video, I'm going to be telling you how to create a solid trading plan that stands every market condition. Every successful trader has a trading plan, and if you're new to trading and want to build a consistent, profitable career of trading, you will need to work with a trading plan. In this video, I'm going to be telling you how to create a solid trading plan that stands every market condition. When I say creating a trading plan that stands every market condition, I simply meant creating a trading plan based on your personality and also based on what you've tested out and you've seen that is profitable for you. Because that's where confidence comes in execution and mastery of your edge. And the outcome that comes from keeping your trading plan based on your personality will be long-term sustenance, because you don't want to just pick up somebody's trading plan that doesn't fit your personality. That will only lead to short-term success. You can take the points I'll be giving you in this video, but you have to have patience, trust the process, and build your plan as you go in your trading career. Number one, your reason for trading. This has to be clearly stated and you need to know it. I ask a lot of traders, what's your reason for trading? And they start thinking. Because when you know your reason for trading, this will help you when the ups and downs occur. As the ups and downs is just part of the trading journey to being a consistent, profitable trader. You want to come to the charts every day knowing where you're buying, where you're selling, where you're cutting your loss, and where you're exiting your position. Because when you know this, you're one step closer to being profitable. Number two, your strategy. This has to be in a well-detailed plan. You don't want to come to the charts thinking of where to buy, where to sell, where to cut your loss, or where to exit your position. Because when you know all this, you're one step to being profitable. Number three, risk plan, which is one of the most important. Your risk management has to be well detailed and followed with due diligence and discipline, because you don't want to fall into the temptation of over leveraging, which 90% of the traders do. Number four, time for trading. Every profitable trader knows their time for trading, and this is mostly determined by the pair you're trading, the session you're trading, and also your strategy, your approach to trading. So you cannot fix your daily schedule to fit your trading or your trading to fit your daily schedule. And finally, journalizing. Every profitable trader keeps extensive journal, as this will help you grow your trading, hone in on your trading plan, and also master your trading edge. Because your trading plan for this year can be the same with next year, but the difference there is now you've honed in because you're journalizing, you're knowing what works best, you're removing what doesn't work, and this will help you become a profitable, consistent trader. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video was insightful for you. Smash the like button, turn on post notification, and thanks for supporting this channel.